get ready. Get ready. So today we're going over speed training and speed drills for juniors, specifically for the driver. We're hitting drivers and we're going to bomb them later. The bomb means we're going to hit them far. So we're going to learn the body movements first. So everyone grab your driver, put an X on your chest, and the grip is going to be on the right side of you. Elsa, you're going to put the grip on the left side. You're left-handed. Okay? So stand up, Nathan. Alright, everyone face this way. Other side, Olivia. Okay, so we're gonna get into our driver setup. Okiano. Spread out. Nathan. So the first thing we're gonna learn is flexion or a deep squat. Can everyone show me that? Okay, good. Let's do it again. Deep squat. Okianos. Spread your legs out more. Good. Too much. A little bit closer. Okay, go again. Yes, a little wider. Deep squat. Okay, good. And come up. Now we're in deep squat and explode. Here you go. Good. Now we're gonna jump up in the air. Ready? Awesome. So we use the ground for leverage or for power when we're doing this drill. Next, we're gonna practice punching the ghost with your belt. So it looks like this. Everyone show me this. Good. This is called extension. So now let's move from flexion to extension. Here, here. All right, good job everybody. Now we're gonna practice rotation. We're facing this way. Turn. Turn. Good. So here's the power drill. It's called the center of mass drill. Very advanced. This is what's gonna get you guys to hit the ball really far. So we're going to get into your shoulder width stance, and then we're going to add a little bit extra because the driver is longer. Here. So everyone get into a little bit wider than shoulder width. Then we're going to get into our forward bend, forward bow, 45 degrees. Okay, good. Next, we're going to turn back, left shoulder underneath your chin, point the grip at imaginary ball. Here. So from this angle. Also, yeah, good job. Opposite. Other way. Logan. Other way. Left shoulder underneath your chin. So this is on this side. Point the grip at the imaginary ball. Here. Good. Flip it around. Show me first position. Here. Backswing. Alright, position 1, everybody hold it. Okay, position 2, Okiano. Position 1, face this way. Next, we're going to get into flexion and center, recenter. Good? Okay, waiting for everybody. And then third, we're going to extend and rotate this side over. This way, all the way through. So we're going to do that jump feel. The feeling is going to be like we have a hat from here, and we're going to throw it. We're going to launch it out. We move it back into extension. Okay? So we're going to go slow motion first in 3 parts. Everyone copy me. Let's nail this perfect. Here we go. Set up. Slow motion, first position. Okay. Follow Elsa. Second position, flexion. Get strong, get strong. And then from here, explode up. Okay? If you guys want to hit it far, this is how we do it. Alright, again, but a little bit faster. Breathe here. Okiano.
Backswing, so get into your backswing position.
Here, Okiano, face the grip downward. Down in the middle. Up, fire. There we go. You guys looking fresh. Okay, now we're going to go all in one motion. Slow motion. 1, 3. Good. Again, a little faster. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Keep going and we're gonna help watch you guys. Go ahead. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, you guys are all looking good. Braden? Good. Money. Good. Okay, Okeanos. You gotta pay attention, man. You're not doing more. Okay. Alright, you guys are looking good. Alright, so spread out a little more and we're gonna get into finished position now. Spread out big time, big time. Okay, Mia, come down here. Ryan, come down here somewhere. Nathan, come down here. Logan, come down here. Luca, come down here. Nathan, come down here. Make sure there's not of room. You guys are in the shade. You guys are good. Okay. Make sure you have enough room and you're not hitting anything. Olivia, scoot over a little bit. Spread out, spread out. Okay. So now we're gonna go over finished position. Okay? So finished position is after we extend here through the eyeballs, show your shoe. This comes going through the eyeballs. Not on the rock. Okay, and hold. Everyone hold. Be careful you don't hit anything. Alright, so Mia, this way. Okay. Face that way with your chest. Club it. Hands are higher. From here. Good. Okay. We're doing alternate finish for speed drill is smiley face. Okay? So, can everyone show me waist high with the driver? And then the other waist high here. Good. Hold down and show me. Smiley face with the driver. Don't hit that phone. Okay, go ahead. Alright, so make sure you have enough space and we're gonna do smiley faces like tick tock. We're not hitting the ground. Tick tock. Tick tock. Okay. Hey, this way, Okeana. Okay, now we're creating leg power for speed. Remember this? So here. Make sure you don't hit the iPad, right? Okay?
I already made sure it don't reach.
Don't hit the ground. Yeah, make sure you stand a little this way so you don't hit the rock. Alright, we're feeling that we're not using our arms. Our arms are like a jello or a whip. And we're using our legs in our turn. Feel it? Okay. Make a loud whoosh. Okay, not full swing, only to waist high. Okay, much faster. Go faster. Beautiful. You guys feel it? Go as fast as you can. Okay, go ahead. Alright. So you guys gotta clean up your form. Good job, everybody. Okay, we're gonna go back down to the mats. Can someone, whoever's directing that one, grab it and stop the videos. Going to the mats now.
Yep, stop it. I got it.